Welcome back, students. So today we are going to solve question number 8 selected from your exercise 13.1, chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. So here is your question. Question number 8, exercise 13.1. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So you have a cylinder. From the cylinder, you are taking a cone out. Whatever is left out, you have to find out the total surface area of the remaining part. So let us do like this. Let us draw a figure first, then we will continue. You have a cylinder. So here you have a cylinder. Suppose this is a cylinder and this is a cylinder, and from this cylinder a conical portion is taken out. This conical portion you have to take out. This conical portion you have to take out. Now when you take out, what will be the remaining? The remaining will be like this. The remaining will be this cone you are taking out. So when this you take out this cone, top nothing will be there. The remaining portion will look like this. Isn't it? Yes. So you have to find out what the total surface area of the remaining solid. You have to find out the total surface area of this item. Here you have a cone. Inside it you have a cone. So the cone means you have to find out the CSA of the cone, then CSA of the cylinder here, and base of the cylinder. Base of the cylinder is what? Nothing but a circle. Okay, so this much portion we have taken out. Now what are the parameters given here? Let us see that. Here it is given height is 2.4 centimeter. Let us write all those things. 2.4 centimeter. This is 2.4 centimeter. So here it is 2.4 centimeter. So suppose I am drawing a dotted line here to show that it is a cone. So the height of the cone will also be equal to what? 2.4 centimeter. Here also it is 2.4. This is also 2.4. And diameter is given 1.4 centimeter, students. Diameter is 1.4. So what will be radius? Half of diameter. So I can write this is equal to what? This is equal to 0.7. So here also I can write it is 0.7. So we got height of the cylinder and height of the cone. Both are same. Here in this case, height of the cylinder and height of the cone, both are same. And we have radius is equal to 0.7 for the cylinder as well as for the cone. So we got H, we got R, you can find out L. L also you can find out. Now let us solve this question. What we need to find out actually. So now from this question we have to find out the total surface area of the remaining solid. So when we talk about the total surface area of the remaining solid, so we can say total surface area we need to find out, students. So here you have CSA of the cylinder. We need to find out CSA of cylinder plus CSA of this cone. CSA of cone. Again we have to add the base of this cone. Okay, base of the cone. Base of the cylinder. Base of the cylinder. So when you add the CSA of this cylinder, when you add the CSA of this cone, and when you take the base of this cylinder, that is the total area of the remaining solid. What is remaining here? We have this cone is out. This cone is out. So top, nothing will be there. Top, nothing will be there. It will be like this. So to imagine this is a cone, we take it as the dotted line. Nothing is there actually. So this line, this height and this height will be same, 2.4. This radius will be the same here, 0.7. And here you have height of the cone, height of the cylinder, they are same, 2.4. Radius equal to 0.7. So here also we will take 0.7. Using this, you need to find out what is the total surface area of the remaining solid. So this is your remaining solid, students. This is your remaining solid. So when we talk about the remaining solid here, we have three things to add. What are the three things? One is curved surface area of the cylinder. One is curved surface area of the cone inside the cylinder. And we have to add the base of the cylinder. So when you add these three things, we will get the total surface area. So now let us go here. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? Curved surface area of the cylinder is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH plus, what is the curved surface area of the cone? Curved surface area of the cone is pi RL. Plus, what is the base of the cylinder? Base of the cylinder is a circle. So we can write here it as pi r square. Now let us take something common. What is common here, students? 2 pi RH, pi RL and pi r square. We have pi r and pi r common. So we can take pi r common. Yeah, pi r if I take common, then here it will be what? 2h. Here if I take pi r common, it will be L. And if I take pi r common from here, it will be only r. So this much is clear to all of you. Now pi r, you can write it as 22 by 7 into r is equal to what? 0.7. So I will write it as 0.7. Now 2h, 2 into h. We have h is equal to 2.4 plus L. Very important, students. We need to calculate what is L. So here you can say, I am taking it here, this is equal to h. Here you have h is equal to 2.4, h is equal to 2.4, radius is equal to 0.7. You need to find out what is this L. What is this L? L is equal to what? Under root 2.4 square plus 0.7 square. So 2.4 square will be equal to 24 square is 576. 2.4 square 5.76 plus 0.7 square 0.49. When you add both, you will get a 6.25. So root of 6.25. 625 root 25. 6.25 2.5. So the answer will become 2.5. So we got L is equal to 2.5. So in place of L, I can put 2.5. In place of L, I can put 2.5 plus R. R again we have 0.7. 0.7. So now let us add it. 7 here, 0.7 here. I can cut it and I can make it as 0.1. So 22 into 0.1 will become 2.2. Here 2 into 2.4, 4.8 plus 2.5 plus 0.7. So when I multiply it, it becomes 2.2 into 7, 5, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, balance 2, 4 plus 4, 8, 8.0. That is 2.2 multiplied by 8. So I get the answer 6, 7, 1. 17.6 is the answer. Now it is asked, find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest centimeter square. So what is the nearest centimeter square near to 17.6? It is approximately equal to 18 centimeter square. So this is your final answer. So this way you can calculate. Very important question, students, for your board exam. Okay, prepare well. So in the next video, we will meet with a different question. Take care. Bye-bye.